Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download and install Anydesk on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to the official Anydesk website, anydesk.com. On the home page, click the Download Now button. The setup file will start downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Anydesk setup file. A window will pop up. Click Install Anydesk. Follow the on-screen instructions and select Accept and Install. After installation, Anydesk will open automatically. You'll see your Anydesk address, which is the unique number you use to connect with others. Now, you can either share your address to let someone connect to your computer or type in another person's Anydesk address to connect to theirs. And that's it! That's how you download and install Anydesk on Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching.